I'm awake from 2 o'clock. Now it's, what time is it? Let me just check. Maybe it's around 3 o'clock in the morning. It's, yeah, 5 to 3, 4 to 3. So I'm going on a night hike and I'm gonna enjoy the sunrise from above. I don't know the name of the peak, so I will let you know. I'm gonna type it now down when I checked it. So I'm not gonna be able to film a lot because it's very dark, but I hope we're all gonna enjoy the sunrise from nice spot. So good morning. I don't know, guys, can you see it? But help! I was just following a little stream, and here is where is coming the water from. Underground tunnel. Oh, amazing! But it's very deep. The water is very deep, and it's very low. Like I'm not gonna go there definitely, but looks amazing. Hello. Lovely, lovely. Keep going. Let me take off this bandana. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I found my space, I found my place. I wanted to. There is another one behind this. I didn't know. If I had a little bit more time, I would like to go. It's just, yeah, just behind me. But the sun starts rising, so I don't have time to walk now. I'm just preparing my tea, filming the sunrise and enjoying it. There is the moon still here, doesn't want to leave. So yeah, this is pretty much everything, guys. I did my first night hike. Enjoy the sunrise. I hope you will enjoy it as well. It's beautiful, isn't it? And it's very windy. I filmed the sunrise, I saw it just behind me. Now it's time to sleep. All night I was awake to hike and show you this beautiful sunrise, and even the moon is still up. Just up there, up, yeah. So, okay, I'm going to sleep. Have a nice day. Seriously, you thought I'm gonna sleep? No. Come on. After this beautiful sunrise, I'm so recharged. Doesn't matter, I didn't sleep almost all night. I slept 2 hours. But first I need to go down from the mountain. Second, I need to pick up my tent and collect all of the stuff. And yeah, this is just the beginning of the day. I don't think I'm gonna miss it. So this was pretty much everything from today and yesterday, guys. I will have a little walk around the lake below Nantlle Ridge, and slowly I will go back home because it's Sunday. I need to get ready for Monday as usual. So yeah, I had amazing time as usual. I never have bad time. As long as I go home, the trip has been amazing. But today, for first time, I had my evening night climbing. Oh, it's so soggy here. I had my first night hiking, so I can see the sunrise from above, because I was camping quite low. I went on Nantlle Ridge and I went down to the forest because the forecast was showing some ridiculously strong winds, up to 70-80 kilometers per hour wind speed and 80 to 90 wind gust. So I decided to stay a little bit lower, even if I need to do the test of my tent, but it's gonna be next time. I really enjoyed the place I found. But yeah, 2 o'clock I was awake, and between 2 and half 2 I was awake, and I decided to climb the mountain just behind me. I still don't know the name of it, but doesn't really matter. And see the sunrise from there. It was amazing. It was amazing, but I had to let me keep going. I had to walk on the top of it for 1 hour just to keep myself warm, because there were no place I can hide properly from the wind. It was so windy. No chance to hide, and you know, when it's windy, it's getting cold. Even if I have clothes, when you stay on one place and not doing any activities, it was getting quite cold. Oh, my hair is everywhere as usual. So yeah, this is pretty much everything, guys. I will leave you to watch the walk around the lake in the forest. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sure you will, because it's amazing forest.